Hello everyone, my name is Shoram and welcome to my 13th video of HTML5 tutorial series. Today we are going to discuss how we can add CSS to a HTML page. So let's begin. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. CSS describes how HTML elements are to be displayed on screen. Okay, we have already seen how to add colors to text or background or change text styles. All these are part of CSS. So first we will discuss about inline styling. To do that, what do we have to do? We have to just take our cursor here and write style here, then give a space, then equal to, then within double quote we define the color attribute. Okay, in this case it's blue, then semicolon, then close double quote. Okay, so now save it, and now if you check in our browser you can see the color is changed here. Next we will discuss about internal CSS. To do that, we have already added one h1 tag and one p tag here and some text here, and now let's see how we can add the internal CSS. To do that, we have to take our cursor within these head tags and add style here. Okay, next we will close the style tag like this. Now within this we will define the internal CSS. How we can do that? Let's say we want to change the body background color. We write body here, then within curly brackets we write background color, then semicolon, then we write the name of the color like this. Then we define the color of the h1 tag. To do that, we have to first write the name of the selector. In this case it is h1, then within curly braces we define the color of the h1 tag. Similarly, we can add color to the p tag also. Okay, now let's save it and check in our browser. You can see here the color has changed here. Although we have defined the CSS in the head section, it has full effect on the page. So the color of the h1 tag has changed, the color of the p tag also has changed, and the body background color has also changed. Okay, finally we will discuss about external styles. To do that, let's first cut this style that we have added here. Okay, Control X, and then make a new file and then Control V, paste it here. Okay, now we will save it in the name of styles CSS, styles.css. Okay, now save it here. Now as you can see, everything is added here that was added in that index.html page. Now how we can link this styles.css in this HTML page? To do that, we have to take our cursor here and then write less than sign, then write link, then write rel, then equal to, then within double quote we write style sheet, then space, then href, then equal to, then within double quote we write the name of our CSS file. In this case it is styles.css, then close double quote and close the link tag. Okay, now we save it. Now if we check in our browser, you can see it stays as it is. That's because we have already linked the CSS file here. There is no style here, but still the space shows the same. Now if we changed here the background color to say pink, okay, now if we check in our browser, you can see that the style has changed indeed. Okay, you can change the color of the H1 tag also. Let's say we change it to green. You can see the H1 tags have changed here. Okay, so that's it for now. If you understand this, we are ready to move on to our next tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till then, bye.